The discussion for today is all about Title 2, Crimes Against the Fundamental Laws of the State. Number 1 question. What do we refer to when we say fundamental laws of the state? Fundamental or basic laws of the state refers to the Constitution, where all laws of the country emanate and must conform to. Ang pangunahin o batayang batas ng bansa ay nagtutukoy sa konstitusyon na kung saan ang mga batas ng bansa ay magmula at dapat sumunod nito. Number 2 question. What are the crimes against the fundamental laws of the state? They are: Number 1, arbitrary detention, Article 124. Number 2, delaying in the delivery of detained persons to the proper judicial authorities, Article 125. 3, delaying release, Article 126. 4, expulsion, Article 127. 5, violation of domicile, Article 128. 6, search warrants maliciously obtained and abused in the service of those legally obtained, Article 129. 7, searching domicile without witnesses, Article 130. 8, prohibition, interruption, and dissolution of peaceful meetings, Article 131. 9, interruption of religious worship, Article 132. And sa last, 10, offending the religious feelings, Article 133. Number 3 question. Why are they called crimes against the fundamental laws of the state? They are called crimes against the fundamental laws of the state because they violate certain provision of the Bill of Rights. In Article 111 of the 1987 Constitution. Ang mga krimen na ito ay tinawag na crimes against the fundamental laws of the state dahil sa nilabag nito ang iilang provision ng Bill of Rights in Article 111 of the 1987 Constitution. Number 4 question. What are the classes of arbitrary detention? Classes of arbitrary detention. Number 1, arbitrary detention by detaining a person without legal ground, in Article 124. 2, delay in the delivery of detained persons to the proper judicial authorities, in Article 125. And the last, 3, delaying release, in Article 126. Article 124, arbitrary detention. Any public officer or employee who, without legal grounds, detains a person shall suffer. Number 1, The penalty of arresto mayor in its maximum period to prison correctional in its minimum period if the detention has not exceeded 3 days. Number 2. The penalty of prison correctional in its medium and maximum period or periods if the detention has continued more than 3 but not more than 15 days. 3. The penalty of prison mayor if the detention has continued for more than 15 days but not more than 6 months. And last, 4. That of reclusion temporal if the detention shall have exceed 6 months. What are the elements of arbitrary detention by detaining a person without legal ground? In Article 124. Elements of arbitrary detention by detaining a person without legal ground. In Article 124. First, that the offender is a public officer or employee na ang may sala ay isang kawani ng gobyerno. Second, that he detains a person na ikinulong niya ang isang tao. And third, that the detention is without legal grounds na ang pagkulong ay walang legal na basihan.